Okay, welcome to the last bit of notes from Tuesday, February 18th. So take a look. I'm on these notes where we did yesterday talking about inverses and what they were. Okay, take a look at this very bottom. There were a couple of problems, I believe, in the homework that had this on there, that in order for functions to be inverses, they had to have a proof that went with it. So if f of x and g of x are inverses, then these two statements have to hold true, that g of f of x has to equal x, and f of g of x has to equal x. So both of these have to be true. Okay, and I'm going to show you what you have to do for the proof. So the proof, I know one of my classes we were able to do part of it, but we didn't do all of it. So what we need to do is we need to check f of g of x. Now, what does that mean? That means I'm going to replace x, letter x, with the entire function of g. Okay, so f of x is something cubed plus 2. What am I putting in there? I am going to put in all of g of x. So I'm going to put all of cube root of x minus 2. And if I go to simplify that, the cube root and cubed are going to be gone because they are inverse operations. So I'm left with x minus 2 plus 2. So I'm left with x. So f of g of x equals x. So that's the first half of the proof. The second half is to go and check g of f of x. And what that means is I'm going to plug the entire f function right in here into g. So g is the cube root of something minus 2. And in for that something is going to be x cubed plus 2. So now I have g of f of x is equal to cube root of, underneath the radical, all I need is x cubed plus 2 minus 2. And then if I do cube root of x cubed, I'm going to get x. So g of f of x is equal to x. I got my second half, and I am good. So what I can say, my conclusion is, therefore, f of x and g of x are inverses. Now, another way to see this, or to check it, is to graph both functions. And see if they are mirror images over y equals x. Okay. All right, we're done with that part. What I need you to open up now is go to warm-ups 4.1 part 2. Those are the notes that we're going to be doing for today.